What's up, electric gardeners? Welcome back to another video. This is the unboxing of the Stihl Pro Lithium Ion powered FSA 90 brush cutter and trimmer. It doesn't come with a wire line, this one, it just comes with a metal blade and the bike handlebars. Here he is in his bright green Crocs. So not many parts to this one. That's the transport guard, the deflector, the handlebars, the controller, which is obviously attached, the bits that attach the blade to the head, and there's the blade itself, and it's not too fiddly to put together. You also get a carry harness with this one, but if you're like me, you've probably got an old brush cutter, strimmer or trimmer that's got a harness that came with it. And I've got an old Stihl brush cutter which had a very good harness, so I tend to use that one instead. It's got a thigh protector and it's really good, so this will probably never come out of the bag. Okay, back to the video. Welcome back. Here he is attaching the metal cutting attachment to the head. Put the flywheel on first, then put the stop pin through the hole on the top of the head. Make sure it then goes through the hole in the flywheel, makes it stop when you're turning it and tightening it. Then put the metal cutting attachment on top of the flywheel. Then on top of that, put the thrust washer. Now make sure it goes with the raised side up. On top of the thrust washer, put the rider plate. And here it is. On top of that, then just get the nut and tighten it anti-clockwise. The tightening tool should come with the kit. You've probably got one from another machine anyway. And back to the video. Well, he's managed to get the battery in and he's taken out the stop pin. But what does this thing actually sound like? Well, the only way to find out is to listen to it. So here's 20 seconds of pure brush cutter pleasure. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks again, electric gardeners, for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.